Hello gardeners, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you two updates, one on the sweet potato plant which I'm growing through the cutting, and one more on the sweet corn plant which I'm growing on my terrace garden. Both of them are growing on my terrace garden. So coming to the sweet potato plant, on 18 July this year I have made a video and uploaded a video on the harvest of sweet potato plant. Right in this particular region I had harvested like almost up to 3 kgs of sweet potato. So once I harvested, I had made a video on how to grow sweet potato through cutting or either through the sweet potato. In either two ways you can follow one thing. So I had planted the cutting. Through cutting, you can see here. See, it's developing very well actually. This was from the same parent plant actually. I had just used a cutting method and I planted it, that's all. You can see the previous video on how I planted this, and you can see this, it's growing very well. And the remaining whole plant which was spreaded all over here, and even it had spreaded outside also, that plant I have buried it inside this. When I had digged it, right, I have buried it underneath it, so that once it decomposes completely, right, it will start giving the energy for this new plant which is growing up here. Along with that old plant I have also buried some vegetable compost, some cow dung and neem leaves, so that it will re-energize this soil. And I have also mixed with this garden soil some compost which I am already doing here. So that soil also I have mixed, so that this soil will be like freshen up. So once this plant starts growing, right, it will get that energy which is now getting generated underneath it. Once all those things completely decomposes, right, it will provide the energy for that. So that's the update on this. So coming to the sweet corn plant, you can see that it's completely dried up, This was the first time I had planted the sweet corn on my terrace garden, and even I had got two sweet corns. You can see this one and two, but both of them have dried up completely. It was completely filled with ants and insects. I didn't use any pesticides or insecticides to handle them actually. So maybe that's the reason it has completely dried up. So but at least I've learned something, how to start growing it. Now I have to take care of it. I have to handle it properly. That's something I need to learn on. But good news is I have already started growing one more plant here. You can see this, one more sweet corn plant coming up here. So this one I need to take properly. Yeah, so that was two quick updates on the terrace garden side, what I'm doing. I also have one more update for you guys. Can you see this? I have cleaned this both the beds actually on 18 July only. Last Sunday I cleared this both the beds. Here I had grown palak last time in this bed, if you see my previous videos. And here I had some bitter gourd and bottle gourd also. Bottle gourd is still there. You can see this. The plant is still growing very well actually. Many more are coming up. So I have just kept this plant like that only. So leaving this, I have cleared this whole bed and I have digged it up. Again I have added some vegetable compost and all that thing. Same thing I have done here also. See, you can see this. I had used this to dig it completely, loosen the soil completely, so that when I'll be planting new seeds here, right, it will grow easily. Same thing I did here also. You can see already this spinach has come out very well. In Kannada we say arve soppu for this. I don't know what you call it in English, but it's one of the kind of a spinach. So you can see it's already growing up pretty good. All the spinach is coming up very well, and it's actually raining very badly. So I thought all these guys will be getting too much water and it will not grow well, I thought. But since I have a proper outflow of the excess water, right, see, can you see that no water will be standing here, extra water will never stand, it will come out. So it's still growing well actually. So maybe next 2 weeks I'll be clearing these two beds also. So currently these two beds are still occupied with the tomato plants. You can see that. So still I won't be able to clear them. Once this plant completely gets dried up, right, then I'll be clearing these two beds also. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. One more anjeer also is coming up. Can you see that? So one more anjeer is coming up in this plant, and I think one more will come here. So from the terrace garden side, that's it for from my side. Hope you all liked it. If you have any doubts or if you have any other tips for me, please do leave it in the comment section. Also like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.